So with that, I'd like to have Jessica Wafer join me. Jessica is a product manager on our API platform as well. I think probably a lot of you have worked with her in the past. She's amazing, and she probably knows more about our public API than anybody else, so I'm happy to have her come up and talk about prepaid gift cards.
Thank you, Scott. And hello, everyone. It's nice to be back here. So as Scott mentioned, my name is Jessica Wafer. I am a product manager at MindBody, focused on our API platform and our developer experience. Previously, though, I worked on our business development team with a lot of the lovely people you see over here as a consultant for our strategic integrators. So I've worked with many of you. I am excited to see a lot of new faces, though, and a lot more attendees this year than from last year, so really excited to see the growth. I would say if you have any questions, I would love to meet with you. If I haven't met with you before, pull me aside after this presentation at lunch. Come find me in the product playground. Really want to learn more about your business, and I think that speaks to everyone on the BD team and what you want to accomplish on the MindBody platform. So with all that said, I'm very excited to be announcing that V6, one of the very first features that we'll be including, new features, is the ability to sell prepaid gift cards. And the reason I'm excited for this is a feature that spans across all verticals, all industries, and all business types. So your mom and pop fitness studio, your core power yogas of the world, your elite spas and salons, if they want to be successful, they will all want to sell gift cards through their various consumer channels. So to get the ideas flowing of what this means for you and your application, here's just a couple ideas of unlocked capabilities with our new endpoints. The first one is probably pretty self-evident. As a consumer, I want to be able to purchase gift cards for my friends or family so that they can visit fill in the blank. Again, spans all industries. The second user story is a little bit more obscure, but I wanted to throw it up on here. It is a feature limitation of the MindBody software today. So for anyone that is working on a business app that's more geared towards instructors or service providers, front desk managers, there's a bit of opportunity. As a front desk manager, I want to be able to sell and print or sell and email a gift certificate. Maybe I don't have the physical plastic cards. And there's really not an easy way for them to do that through our software today. And the last but not least, kind of getting you to think through in a different way. As a business, I want to know who has previously purchased a specific type of gift card so that I can market to them during the upcoming holiday season. So in order for us to give you the feature set to sell a gift card, we need to provide you with some additional details about gift cards that we don't currently include in our public API today. So there's some creative ways to use that data. So diving into the actual endpoints, the first endpoint is Get Gift Cards, very similar to our Get Services or Get Products. It will allow you to pull down the details you need to populate your online store, or again, the details you want to match with other data sets. On the left-hand side, this is just a screen grab of what our customers see to create a gift card. So they'll put in the gift card name, determine whether or not it's sold online, have the value and the price. So you could have a $100 gift card that gives you $150 worth of credit. And then in true MindBody fashion, we like to make things a little bit complex, and they can restrict it to certain membership tiers. But all of that information would be included in the response that you'll see on the right-hand side. And as with Get Products and Get Services, best practice is go ahead and cache that information so you can reference it in later workflows. And then the second endpoint, there's only two, pretty straightforward, is purchase gift cards. Very similar to purchase contracts in the sense that the request is very specific to this workflow. So with gift cards, you may not be passing through a client ID. It may be a guest purchase, but instead you may be including the recipient information. So who are we sending the gift certificate to, and when are we sending it? And then as with all things, it'll include the payment information such as the credit card details. And that's it. It's truly just the two endpoints, the purchase gift cards and the get gift cards, but hopefully this gets some ideas flowing, gets you excited for V6. I think this is just a glimpse into what's to come.